If you need to reset two-factor authentication for your Apple Music account, follow these straightforward steps to regain access. Step 1. Access your Apple ID settings. Go to the Apple ID website or open the Settings app on your Apple device. Sign in with your Apple ID and password to access your account settings. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, find the Security section. Here, you will see options related to two-factor authentication and other security features. Step 3. Disable two-factor authentication. If you want to reset it, you may need to disable two-factor authentication first. Follow the prompts to turn it off, keeping in mind that this may affect your account's security. Step 4. Re-enable two-factor authentication. After disabling it, you can re-enable two-factor authentication. Follow the instructions provided to set it up again, ensuring you have access to your trusted devices. Step 5. Verify your trusted devices. Once two-factor authentication is re-enabled, check that your trusted devices are correctly listed. You may need to verify them by entering the code sent to those devices. By following these steps, you can successfully reset two-factor authentication for your Apple Music account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Apple support for further assistance.